Hey guys, welcome back to another vlog. How are you all doing? Ellaru hegidira? So the plan for today is to go and do some bike shopping. So when I say bike shopping, not a big fan of buying pre-owned bikes. I usually buy bikes or any sort of thing which is pretty much brand new. Go out and check what are some options that I have. And I'm also heading to a couple of showrooms and I'll try to see if they allow me to vlog. I'll be happy to vlog there. One of the reasons I'm doing it is because 6R is the bike that I have, is more of a super sport, is not that intuitive. I did have another secondary bike, but I sold it without even thinking twice. So I need a secondary bike to at least to make sure that I move around whenever I'm in city. So this is a plan or a bike to make sure that I want to plan this purchase to make sure that I cover also a lot of distances and also act as a bit of a touring as well. So I'm actually confused between a naked street fighter or probably an adventure tourer. So I'll see what all options I have. I'll catch you on in a while. So Tilak is joining me today. So I'll just go ahead and pick Tilak and I'll catch you on the way. It's such a lazy morning. I know it's around 11 o'clock in the morning, but I'm saying it as lazy. I don't know. So we are spoiled brats, honestly, when it comes to purchasing bike. The moment you go there, the budget automatically increases. So I'm actually quite impressed between KTM Adventure or the ADV, whatever you call, and also the BMW GS. So pretty much confused between those two bikes. I think Tilak could be the right person to help me understand a bit about bikes, and he knows in and out, man. I call him Doctor of Bikes. After a lot of fight with KTM showroom, Tilak is already going for a test drive. I'll take it later and let him go and come.
When I see you dancing, I'm like, hola, 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 hola. With your move fancy, make me wanna hola, 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 hola. I got your attention, spending that moolah, 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 moolah. I'm a trunk popping, pocket swolla, 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 swolla. Swolla, 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 swolla. Swolla, swolla, swolla.
Thank you. So 2 KTM booked. Let us know which is the bike.
Yeah, more videos coming, adventures.
You want to select the vehicle, you can select.
So finally done with the booking of the car. So we booked a KTM, so that is for sure. And you guys will come to know which bike we are planning to get. And we are getting not one, but 2 bikes. That together. What are your thoughts, Tilak? First thoughts? First thoughts.
Very exciting. It's about the bikes coming together as well as the adventures planned ahead. The journey, a new journey which is going to begin.
Yeah, a lot of excitement. Our financial crunch was slightly higher, especially at this point of time, but I don't know. When it comes to bikes, things and the mind will automatically change. I seriously don't get why we do that. Why we do that, spending so much money on bikes, even our parents are irritated, but it's a self-appreciation that you do for the work that you do. People spend on so many things It is useless. I'm going to touch So while we were talking, there was a small accident that happened. Guys, always remember when there is two vehicles going, don't try to pass in between. You will have so much of excitement when you go in between. Let me check if nothing has happened to the car, which means a good sign. So you might wonder why we booked the bike in Indiranagar showroom, KTM. So one good thing is, Sanjay or Gude, whomever we call, so his relative works and he's the cluster manager. His name is Sandeep, wonderful guy. If KTM is watching, you need to grow people like this. On the flip side, even though Makery Circle is very nearby, would like to talk about it.
Huh?
Makery Circle.
It's a very bad experience we had.
And
not at all good, because very reluctant to even talk or give a test ride or even see if the customer wants to buy a bike. They were least bothered.
Yeah, and they asked us to come on the day of Shankranti, which is Thursday, which was yesterday. According, I don't know when you guys will watch the vlog.
We wanted to book the bike on that day, and
they
confirmed, and they said they're working. You please come down.
Yeah, and so many things happened, and then after that they agreed to give the test drive, and they said that take a U-turn in the divider and then go. So that's what they said.
Very immature salespersons there.
Yeah, and not a kind of. Then you won't believe, guys, I had to talk to the manager to get a test drive, and this is what experience is all about, right? I understand that there is a lot of kids that comes through for this sort of riding experience for KTM, but I think for salespeople or the managers or whoever works there, right, it is also important to understand what a good rider or a matured rider versus someone who just comes and asks for a ride. So that is one. And secondly, if you ask us if you want to buy in Makery Circle KTM, a big no. Terrible experience. And we also heard a lot of stories about Makery Circle KTM, which we don't want to disclose, and it is zero experience. I'm gonna write an email for sure. And we booked 2 bikes today in KTM, and it's a huge loss for them. So that's what happened. And bike delivery coming soon, so stay tuned. We bought a bike, not bought, we just booked the bike, so we'll get a bike in the next week, so following week, so just wait for it. And let us know what you guys think about it. We'll see another vlog, another story, another interesting stuff. We guys are doing everything for you, my guys, man. So please like the video if you like the video what we're doing.
Like, share and subscribe.
Yeah, and please just subscribe for more content. And not just exaggerating, but things are getting more spicier after we get this bike. So lot of travel plans, huge investment. Buying a bike just for a small ride, I think it's a lot of investment. So
Yeah.
let's see how it goes. So we'll catch up in another vlog, guys. So we booked the bike in KTM Indiranagar, and if possible, I will try to disclose the dates on when we are getting the bike. If you guys are around, feel free to join us in this party. We'll be happy to welcome you and talk to you as well. So see you around, guys. We'll meet you on another vlog, another story. Take care. Bye. Thanks for coming, Tilak.
Thanks for what? Booking the bike?
Yeah, spending money. See you guys. Bye-bye.